In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Zen Browser data. Now, the first thing you can do is you want to go top left over here, click on those three dots and open up Settings. Inside Settings, go to Find in Settings and type in Data. And then in here, you can go ahead and clear browsing data by clicking over here, selecting what you want to clean and clicking Clear. However, if you would like to delete the entire data of your Zen browser and basically just reset the browser, you can also do this. However, it takes a few more steps, and I'm going to guide you all the way through it. So to do this, go down here to the search box on your Windows computer, type in run and run it, and then here in this box that pops up, type in %appdata%. Click on OK after you do this, and then you want to scroll to the very bottom where you can see Zen. Now in here, there's going to be basically your settings, your profiles, stuff like that. You can just go ahead and delete this, but make sure Zen is closed before you do it. So if I go ahead and click on this X button to close it, and I delete the Zen folder over here like this, then I can go ahead and open up Zen again over here, and as you can see, it's going to start from the beginning, and it's going to basically go through the entire installation again because I've wiped all the data. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.